Hi, welcome to our channel today. In this video, I want to show you how to determine the cost of an apartment plan. The one that I've chosen for this video is a apartment plan for 21 units. That is uh, a mix of one bedroom and two bedrooms. So nine one bedrooms and 12 two bedrooms. This is a three floor apartment. The design is here. So on every floor, there are 7 units. So here is one unit, here is another unit, here is another unit, here is another unit. Then there's this unit here, then this unit here, and then there's the unit at this corner. So this wing up to this corner, you have the three units of one bedroom, and then this section, you have the 4 units of two bedrooms. Um, just a quick preview of how it looks like. Um, so these are the three letters for this plan that we are using to understand how you get the cost of your house. As you can see, this is the front view. This is the side view, and the gate for this is put on the side view. This plan is good for a 50 by 100 plot. So this front view takes the 50 feet, and then this long side takes the 100 feet. Essentially, this is 13.24 meters from this end to this end, and then the longer side is 30.48 meters. That is 100 feet. So you can have the gate on the side, or you can have the gate on the longer side, depending on where the road is. But for the purpose of this video, the road is on the 50 feet side. This is the road. Now this is so this is the entrance. You can place a shop here. You can place a shop here to serve the people who are passing. So you have the entrance there, and then yeah. So this is the other view of the apartment. This is the back side. As you can see from this wall protrude outwards, and it gives you room to have then a back space for these units here. The units on this side, which is the one bedroom, they don't have that luxury. But for these uh, two bedrooms here, they have the luxury of having the back space they can use. This is the other side of it. This is where we started from. Yeah, so let's get to the plan itself. So this is how it looks like. Like I told you, uh, it fits in a plot of 50 by 100. As you can see, this is roughly 15 meters. This is roughly 31 meters based on the size of this particular plot. But you can reduce this to 30 meters, this to 15 meters. As I told you, this is 15.25 of 15.28 meters. This is 30.48 for a typical 50 by 100. So this is the plinth area is the structure of the house. Then you have the pavement slab for common usage like parking, clothing line, and a few other things. This entrance. Okay, so now this is the floor plan, and just to run you through it. It may not it just an idea of how it looks like. So this is the first unit here. From the gate, gate is somewhere here. So you get in. This is the first unit. So there's a launch here. The shop that I told you is here. So there's the launch here, and then there's the bedroom here. There's the kitchen here. Now I this now this oh this is so this shop has taken the space of the second bedroom. You can do away with the shop and you have a second bedroom here, or you can entertain the shop and then you have the one. Now that this changes to one bedroom. Essentially, this is the same as this unit. So you move in, lounge, kitchen right ahead, then master bedroom and bedroom two here with the common water point. So this is one unit, one unit, one unit, one unit. Then when you come to this wing, you have the first one bedroom here. So the one bedroom kitchen, uh, one bedroom, uh, the bedroom is here, kitchen is here, water closet is here, same as this one here, 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 and this one here, here, here. So that's why I said every floor you have 7 units. It replicates on the other floors, as you can see. The lounge, kitchen, bedroom, bedroom, lounge, kitchen, bedroom, bedroom, lounge, a lounge, bedroom, lounge, kitchen, bedroom, bedroom. So it's here, lounge, bedroom, bedroom, kitchen, and then this and that. So that takes you to the upper floors, the second and the third floor. So that gives you 21 units of 9 units of one bedroom each, and 12 units of two bedrooms. Now, of course, there are other details of the plan, like roof plan, elevations. It's a complete plan, as you can see. Sectional plans here and other things. Now, how do you get the cost of this house? How do you get the cost of this house? So let me take you to the summary here. So each unit of one bedroom for this one, the area is 23 square meters, and for two bedroom, the area is 32 square meters. So that means each floor with 7 units would give you an area of what? Let's pull a calculator. So 23 by 9, I mean by 9, 23 by not by 9, but 23 by 3 would give you 69, 69, and then times 3. That would give you 208 or 208.845. For for the two bedrooms, the area is 32 square meters, so times 4, that gives you 128. So this is one bedroom area, and then for two bedroom would be what is that? 128, 128 times 3, times 3. That would give you 3, let's see, would give you 384 actually, not 387, 384. 384. So the total area, therefore, is the summation of these two, which gives you 3 384 plus 208.845. That will give you 592. So total area is 592.845 square meters. Square meters. Now, how much would that cost you if you had to build that house? Now, according to the construction practices, we have three apartment classifications. We have standard low rise apartment, we have standard high rise apartment, then we have luxury apartments. Now the rate per square meter for standard low rise apartment is 60,000 to 70,000 square meters, depending on the area. Standard high rise apartment is 65,000 to 75. Luxury apartment would cost 85 to 90. Now, suppose you want to do a standard low rise apartment and you're working with the lowest tier, which is 60,000. Uh, the cost of the apartment will be what? So the cost of the apartment will be 592.845 times 60,000 times 60,000 to 592.845 times 70. So that would give you, in Kenya shillings, that would give you how much? That would give you 592.845 times 60,000. Oh, sorry, times 60,000. So 592 times 60,000. That would be 35.57. 35.57 million to uh, 592.845 times 70,000. So that would be 41 point, let's say 45, 41.5. That would be for Kenya shillings, 41.5 million. Now, if you want to get for standard, it would also be, now you vary this. So you say for standard rise, high rise, that would be now 65 to 75. That will take you to what? Let's see. 592.845 times 65,000. That would be now 38.5. So now that would be 38.5 to 592.845 times 75. 1, 2, 3. That will be 44.5. So that will be 44.5. Now, if you want to do for, let's change this one to 4. So if you want to do for luxury apartment, this will change. The cost of construction will change to what? The cost of construction will now change to, this will change to 85, 85 to 9, to 90. So that would be what? Here, 592.845 times 85,000 times 85,000. That would be 50.4. That would be 50.4. 50.4 to, again, 592.845 times now 90,000. So that will take you to 53 point, let's say 53.4. So 53.4, 53.4. Now, let me bring this one down. So this is the cost of construction. Cost of construction. Now this would be, let's say we're using uh, standard low rise, the lower limit. So we're talking about 35.57. So 35.57. Then there are the costs that you'll incur, like cost of approval, sorry, let's say cost of documentation. This involves drawing, uh, preparing the documents, the plans, and obtaining approvals. This one you can give it 10%, which means that this would come to roughly 3.5 3.557 million. And then cost of supervision, cost of supervision. You can give this one 5%. Okay, let's see what is that. So 5% of that would be what? 35.57 times 0.5. Is that 0.5 here? So that would be roughly 1.8, 1.8, 1.8 million. Therefore, therefore, total cost will be what? Will be 35.57 plus 3.557 plus 1.8. This would bring us to, let's see, 35.57 plus 3.557 plus 1.8. That would take us to 40.9 million. Now, this is the cost of doing this house. You dealt with design, you dealt with approval, you dealt with the actual cost of product of construction, you dealt with approval up to the very end of it. It takes you to 40 million. So tell us, what do you have in mind? Do you want to do a plan for apartment? Do you want to do apartment? We are here for you. You can write for us a comment and we'll be glad to respond to you. Thank you very much.